Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll show you how leading fitness brands like the 8 Colors of Fitness use interactive quizzes to personalize their customer experience. On their website, you'll often find a short quiz designed to match visitors with the most relevant fitness approach. These quizzes ask simple, relatable questions such as, Question 1, I learn best through understanding patterns. Or, I learn best through direct experience. Question 2, I tend to initiate interactions with others. Or, I tend to be more self-contained, and many more. Based on your answers, the quiz instantly recommends the most relevant fitness style. This is personalization at scale, delivering tailored results without requiring one-on-one interaction. Personalization builds trust, keeps users engaged, and makes them feel understood. And here's the exciting part. With Outgrow, you can build the same kind of interactive experience in minutes. Now let's create our quiz using Outgrow's AI fitness marketing tools. Simply describe your idea. Create a quiz to find a fitness personality and find the workout that fits you best. In seconds, the AI generates a complete quiz draft, including questions and answer. AI gives you a starting point, but the magic happens in Outgrow's Builder. Here you can refine every question to match your goals. Examples: how do you recharge after a long day? How do you approach decision-making? What's your communication style in a group setting? Which word describes you best? And many more. You can also add images and icons and fine-tune logic so each response leads to the most relevant outcome. Next, set up multiple fitness personality outcomes. For example, the analytical thinker, the social butterfly, the balanced mediator, the creative visionary. Before going live, preview your quiz on desktop, tablet, and mobile to ensure it's smooth, engaging, and intuitive. And that's it. Hit go live to embed the quiz on your website, share via email campaigns, or post on social media. Now your quiz is ready to educate users, guide them toward their perfect routine, and capture qualified leads all in minutes using Outgrow. Ready to get started? Start building smarter, more engaging experiences today with Outgrow. Sign up to try it now.